So, drunk balance in sitting, naka-upo si patient sa side of the bed. Yung affected, yung bad side niya, naka-externally rotate, yung naka-lean sa bed, and then support mo yung scapula under the axilla. Ask yung patient na yung good side na hand, naka-place sa knees niya para ma-prevent yung weight bearing. So, yung side flex, so the good side din. And then weight bear, and then back to the midline. Weight bear ulit, back to the midline. So, important na to keep yung shoulder girdle upward during the movement. So, for progression, have the patient clasp yung other hand niya. Yung good thumb over the bad thumb. Tapos, support mo pa rin under bad thumb over the good thumb. Tapos, support mo pa rin yung scapula niya and leaning doon sa forearm. Tapos, ask the patient to wait there. Then back.